Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So welcome to day 27 of 28th day gratitude challenge from this amazing book, The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Day 27 is about the magic mirror. It starts with a quote. The appearance of things changes according to the emotions, and thus we see magic and beauty in them, while the magic and beauty are really in ourselves. Kahil Gibran, poet and artist. You can spend the rest of your life running around trying to beat the outside world into the shape you want, chasing one problem after another, trying to fix them, complaining about situations or other people, and never succeed in living your life to the fullest and realizing all of your dreams. But when you make the magic of gratitude your way of life, everything in the world around you magically changes, just like that. Your world magically changes because you changed. So what you are attracting changed too. In the inspirational words of Gandhi and in the lyrics of Michael Jackson's song Man in the Mirror, which impacted hundreds of millions, most of the most powerful messages of all time was delivered. Change the person in the mirror and your world will change. If you have followed the 26 magical practice to this point, you have changed, and even though it is sometimes hard to see the change in yourself, you will have felt the change in your happiness, and you will have seen the change of improved circumstances in your life and the magical changes in the world around you. You have practiced the magical power of gratitude for your family and friends, for your work, money, and health, for your dreams, and even for the people you come across each day. But the person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else is you. When you are grateful to be the person in the mirror, feelings of dissatisfaction, discontentment, disappointment, or I am not good enough completely disappear, and with them, every dissatisfying, discontenting, and disappointing circumstances in your life magically disappears too. Negative feelings about yourself cause the greatest damage to your life because they are most powerful than any feelings you have about anything or anyone else. Wherever you go and whatever you do, you take those negative feelings with you in every moment, and those feelings taint everything you touch, and they act as a magnet attracting more dissatisfaction, discontentment, and disappointment with everything you do. When you're grateful to be you, you will only attract circumstances that make you feel even better about yourself. You have to be rich with good feelings about yourself to bring the riches of life to you. Gratitude for yourself enriches you. Whoever has gratitude for themselves will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for themselves, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. To do the magical mirror practice, go to the mirror right now. Look directly at the person in the mirror and out loud say the magic words thank you with all your heart. Mean it more than you ever before. Say thank you for being you. Say thank you for everything that you are. Say thank you with at least the same amount of feeling that you have used for everything and everyone else. Be grateful for you just as you are. Continue with the magic mirror practice by being grateful to that beautiful person in the mirror for the rest of the day today. And say the magic words thank you every time you look at yourself in the mirror. If you are not in the position to say thank you or a magic words out loud at any particular time, then you can say them in your mind. And if you are really brave, you can look into the magic mirror and say 3 things about yourself that you are grateful for. If for any reason in the future you are not being kind to yourself, you will know to give to the person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else, the person in the mirror. When you are grateful, you don't blame yourself when you make a mistake. When you are grateful, you don't criticize yourself when you are not perfect. When you are grateful for being you, you are happy, and you will become a magnet to happy people, happy situations, and magical circumstances, which will surround you wherever you go and in whatever you do. When you can see the magic in that person in the mirror, your whole world will change. Now, let's understand today's magical practice number 27, the magical mirror. Number 1. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, read your list, and at the end of each blessing say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2. Each time you look at yourself in a mirror today, say thank you and mean it more than you ever before. Number 3. If you're really brave, while looking in the mirror, say 3 things that you're grateful for about yourself. Number 4. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Guys, these are the list of activities you need to perform today itself. So what I will recommend is find yourself a quiet empty space where nobody is going to disturb you. Sit with the notebook and the pen with the soothing music on. And if you're unable to find any soothing music in my channel, there are plenty of them. You can choose anyone, just listen to them and write your gratitude. and feel them. Like it's like you express your feeling for something, which is going to change your life completely. So do it, guys, and all the best for you. And I'll see you tomorrow again with tomorrow's day challenge. Till then, stay safe, wear mask, and make sure you wash your hands every single day and every single hour, so that you are safe and your family is also safe.